Alright, so we out here. We picking up and rice right now. Well, we're about to go do the side job. Hustling. You're about to see what type of hustle I do. Easy money, quick money. We'll see right now. Alright, so we out here. Getting this free money. Tractor tire that's been there for 6+ years. A few minutes of general labor. And we'll see if we can pull it out using chains. A couple of elbow grease. Let's see if it's possible. We're gonna be towing and pulling it from this way. Alright, so we hooked up. We'll see if this works.
So we out here. Oscar's about to do something very drastic. Pulling a motherfucking tire from the fucking landfill. How dirty it is. Alright, he's going for it. And he did it. Just took out the sign, but fuck it, he did it. Fucking Oscar.
Alright, so we out here. We just sold the tire. We got $100 for easy jobs, easy work.